He puts the smoke on. I've had the pleasure of working with Red Bull One on many occasions. Not only on air shows, but we worked at plunged, which was in Cape Town, a Red Bull event, and we had 220,000 people that were watching Glen Dell.
Do you think
Of course, two of the Red Bull series around the world.
Anton's across there at the moment.
yes, working?
They're busy shutting down the plant. Maintenance.
What an incredible view from up here despite the wind. The grandstand's nice and full at this stage. Wonderful to see so many people that have all gathered over here to watch this air show. Here's what our platform is.
Het lijkt of hij stol, hè? Ja. Yo,
toevallig. He's got baie plek hier onder by ons is.
Hy ou raak siek.
Watch what he does.
No way.
No.
Oh shit.